You know, when you're trying to make a top drop, you'd be mad to ruin it by using the wrong pump for your process. That's why Global Pumps offers a specialist portfolio of pumps for the wine industry. Hi, I'm Tim Webster and welcome. Now, the range of pumps covers the whole winemaking process, ensuring that the precious fluids reach their destination in perfect condition. There are stainless steel centrifugal pumps that feature an open impeller design so that they can handle solids such as grape must, and positive displacement lobe pumps offer gentle pumping for handling the fragile solids. Helical rotor pumps are ideal, of course, for transferring whole or destemmed grapes and can be specified with a hopper for feeding in that precious fruit. And finally, the range also includes a number of peristaltic hose pumps that are ideally suited to the wine industry with their traditional benefits of ruggedness, reliability and efficiency. All wine industry pumps can be supplied mounted on stainless steel trolleys, making them available for use at all stages of that wine making process. Now, there is more information at all the W's globalpumps.com.au, or you can call them on 1300 145 622 and you could say, I'll certainly drink to that. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.